Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel where we make kitchen magic happen. Today, we're unboxing this little wizard, the Usha iChef Smart Air Fryer. I snagged this bad boy for just 4,245 Indian rupees at a mind-blowing 50% discount. Talk about a steal, right? With a whopping 4.5-liter capacity, this fryer can handle everything from fries for one to a feast for a family. And it's powered by 1350 watts of pure culinary awesomeness. It's like having a tiny, efficient robot chef in your kitchen. Meet RoboChef 3000. This guy comes with 10 preset menus and 10 in-one functions. We're talking air frying, baking, roasting, grilling, thawing, slow cooking, barbecuing, braising, toasting, and even air drying. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of kitchen gadgets. My favorite part? The transparent glass and illuminated chamber. It's like watching a cooking show but in real time and in your own kitchen. No need to play peekaboo with your food anymore. Thanks to the turbo air circulation and 2,500 RPM fan, this fryer ensures your food gets that perfect golden brown without the oil. It's like a sunbath for your fries, minus the SPF, and it's surprisingly light at just 4,000 grams. You can easily move it around or take it to your next kitchen dance party. Made from durable ABS, this baby is built to last. Plus, the Usha iChef comes with a 2-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, just wave your Amazon invoice like a magic wand and you're covered.
आज ऑमलेट नहीं बनाऊंगा, आज तेल का ऑमलेट बनाऊंगा।
Now, let's put our RoboChef 3000 to the test by making some classic potato fries. First, we'll wash, peel, and cut our spuds into perfect strips. It's potato makeover time. We're using the default settings because, hey, we're living on the edge. Just pop those taters in the basket and let the fryer work its magic. The digital display and touch panel make it so easy. With the transparent glass and illuminated chamber, we can keep an eye on our fries as they cook without opening the fryer. It's like they're putting on a delicious little show just for us. Thanks to the 360 degrees heating and turbo air circulation, our fries are cooked evenly and to perfection. No need for any oil, making these fries a healthier alternative. It's guilt-free snacking, people. Alright, moment of truth. Look at these fries, golden and crispy. Let's give them a taste test. Perfection. These are so good. And no oil means no guilt. It's a win-win. And there you have it, crispy, golden, and absolutely delicious potato fries made effortlessly with the Usha iChef Smart Air Fryer. They're not just a snack, they're an experience. So, if you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and fun cooking solution, the Usha iChef Smart Air Fryer is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and kitchen gadget tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a fry-tastic update. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay crispy.